Alright, I'm gonna try something new here. I'm gonna mix a little bit of sugar with a bit of water, and let's see what we can get, if we can encourage the bees to come up to the super. Alright. So what I'm gonna use is white refined sugar. Yes, so not that healthy, unrefined, cane sugar, whatever, no. This has to be the refined one, because this is the one that's more easily digestible for our bees. Okay. So the mix is about 1:1. I'm not gonna make a lot of liquid here. Should be enough. Some water. It's great. And I'm also adding a little bit of honey. That's more for the smell and just to attract them up to where I want. So I'm just gonna dissolve this also in this sugary water. It's already super sweet. I tasted it. So let's see. I'm just gonna dissolve this little bit of honey. You don't really want to feed honey to bees unless the honey that you're feeding is kind of one that you don't want to be using anymore. Alright, so let me dissolve this. I'm adding a little bit more sugar just to give a bit of a thickness to this whole liquid. And now, because of that honey that I added, it not just tastes sweet, but it also smells like honey. And hopefully that will attract them even more. I'm gonna dissolve this even further. So much of the sugar and the honey has been dissolved in this water, and I can actually feel it as the spoon is going around. The thickness has grown. I'm gonna just have a little taste and see how it tastes. I mean, everything is fine and pure. Super sweet. Oh, goodness. That is just too sweet. My goodness. Wow. Okay, that's great. So it's super sweet. It's thick, it smells like honey, so this should attract our bees. Alright, so I have this liquid here that's already mixed up, and I just get this non-toxic, 100% clean cloth. So I know it has to be non-toxic, nothing on it. It's really a very good absorbent cloth. So I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna soak it and just get as much of this liquid as I can into it. There we go. Let's get this soaked up in this liquid. Alright. There we go. That's great. Fantastic. Smells like honey. Tastes super sweet. It has to be good for our bees. Okay, let's go to the hive. Alright, so I'm here at the hives. And the problem that I'm facing here is, although there's lots of activity in the brood box here, they're not coming up to the super. So what I'm gonna do is I soak this clean cloth in sugar and honey water, really sweet, really smells like honey. And I'm gonna put it on the top of the super, and hoping that the bees get attracted and they will climb through the queen excluder that's here in between the two, and they will climb up and harvest the sugary syrup. And while they're harvesting it, and they will actually make the super their home. Let's do this. So here we go. as you can see, nothing much happening in these frames, and that's not good. So I know that the super is super busy. Okay, just gonna pull up maybe one of the frames just to show you what's going on. It's actually stuck to at the bottom. Look at that. Slowly, maybe slowly they're coming up, but not good enough. So I'm going to put this back and we'll see if our really concoction will make a real difference or not. A little bit of activity here. That's good. Oh, look at that. They are actually starting to build it out. Okay, that's good. Put this down. I'll try to avoid being bitten. Okay. So I'm gonna take this cloth. Super sweet. I don't want it to be too wet, just enough. I don't want it to be drippy. Put it here. There we go. Okay. All right. So we'll see if that will have any results. I'm going to close it up. And we'll see. And check back again and we'll have a look at the results. So I still have a bit of a leftover syrup here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it into one of the feeders and let them have it. Nothing goes wasted. Alright, so this is just a shoot of syrup. And there we go. Enjoy. We'll come back and we'll have a look if this has borne any results at all. Hopefully it has, and we can see some honey developing in our super. I mean, that's what it's all about. Let's do it. So check back again very soon, and watch our other videos also, because there's plenty of good ones. Follow us, there's something more exciting coming very soon, within a week. So about a couple of hours ago I created some nice syrup for these little guys here, for the bees. Do you think they'll like it? Sugar syrup. It's so nice in a line. I just love it. Let's see when that's cold, and it will have the same effect inside the hive and if you actually get them up